Hello, my name is Ritesh Babarao Patale, mechanical third year student, and today we are going to learn about working of nuclear power plant, maintenance procedure of nuclear power plant, and their conceptual diagram, etc. So here we go. Nuclear power plant. A nuclear power plant thermal power station in which the heat sources arc reactor as a typical of thermal power station, heat used to generate steam, that steam produces electricity. So here is a working of nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plants heat water to produce steam. The steam is used to spin large turbines that generate electricity. Nuclear power plants use heat to produce during nuclear fission to heat water. In nuclear fission, atoms are split apart to form smaller atoms and releasing energy. Nuclear reactors are the heart of nuclear power plants. They contain and control nuclear chain reactions that produce heat through a physical process called as fission. That heat is used to make steam that spins a turbine to create electricity. With more than 440 commercial reactors worldwide, including 94 in the United States, nuclear power continues to be one of the largest sources of reliable and carbon free electricity available. So, basically, this is the working of nuclear power plants. This is a conceptual diagram. So, it is showing that how does electricity produce from nuclear power station. Here is a maintenance procedure of nuclear power plant. So every department need maintenance to stay reliable and stay working for a very long time. So there is a need of maintenance for nuclear power station 2. So nuclear power plants maintenance, the service life of the Hanha Kiwi 1 nuclear power plant will be at least 60 years. To keep the plant in good condition throughout its life, there will be a frequent inspection and maintenance work. The power plant's maintenance program will be include condition monitoring and preventive maintenance of structure and components. During operation, parts of the plants will also be renovated according to the best available knowledge to achieve an even higher safety level. Some maintenance work can only be performed during annual outages when the plant is in shutdown. During these outages, some of the fuel will be replaced and necessary inspection and maintenance will be carried out. So basically this maintenance procedure done out in during outage stage. So what is advantages of nuclear power plant? So there is first one is low cost energy. So it is available in free of cost, not free of cost but low cost. Although building nuclear power plants has a high initial cost, it is relatively cheap to produce energy from them and they have low operating cost. Third one is it is very reliable, and fourth one is it is zero carbon emission, means that there is no carbon outage from this power plant, so that causes of global warming and ozone depletion layer that will be reduces. Fifth one is promising future energy supply, and last one is high energy density. So there are some advantages of nuclear power energy. So there is some disadvantages too. Raw material safety measures needed to prevent the harmful levels of radiation from uranium. So we all know that uranium is very radioactive and harmful for human skin. So there is some disadvantages about that. Second is fuel availability, high cost, nuclear waste, risk of shutdown reactors, impact on human life, and nuclear power a non-renewable resource and national risk. So this is a diagram of nuclear power plant in which various type of steam generator, control rods, uranium fuel, reactor vessels, steam turbine, generator, transformers, etc. are used. So here we stops. Thank you so much.